Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you my bird pepper tree right here. Look at this bird pepper tree. Beautiful, beautiful bird pepper tree. And believe it or not, this is in Florida. Two of them right here, bird pepper. They call them cayenne when they get bigger, but this is a natural phenomenon. Look at these beautiful, beautiful peppers, looking like a pill, because they are medicine. Good for the blood, good for pressure, good for fertility, good for resurrection purposes. Yes, 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 yes. Have your timber, have your axe chop it down. See there? A beautiful, beautiful example of an ancient medicine, bird pepper. Right now, people them say it's cayenne pepper, but look at this beautiful tree. Exemplary.